activate RBC Virtual Visa Debit. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to activate your RBC's Virtual Visa Debit card. So first of all you have to do is just open the RBC's or Royal Banks of Canada's official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you are logged into your account, all you have to do is just click on the account section from the top menu. And over here under the managing your bank account section, just click on Virtual Visa Debit. Just simply tap on it, and after that just scroll down, and over here at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see the entire process of activating your Virtual Visa Debit card with the RBC's official website. So it says that you need to download the RBC's mobile app and sign in using your client card number and password, and so select your primary checking account and select the manage the card page, and just choose activate your virtual debit card or virtual Visa debit card, and just follow the prompts to activate and view your Visa debit card details. When you are ready to make your online purchase, you need to choose Visa or Visa debit as a payment option and provide your RBC's virtual debit card number including the expiration date, CVC code and other details, and just enter your name along with your billing address and get the confirmation, and you are done. So this is basically how you will be able to activate your RBC's Virtual Visa Debit. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.